talking. Somebody I will say I will let's go. Well, look at even putting all those aside. Look at the men I office of my bravo. So you didn't like all these men, and you put them aside and still went in for a woman. You are useless, Serwaa. What the quiz when you must say? Well, yeah, to the 1 year, now you are going to be depressed. Yeah. Because when you go to your room and you are there alone and you think about the stupid stuff that you have put yourself in, the stupid shit, I want to say, I don't want to. You realize that what have I done to myself? So upon all the school that I'm upon all the education that I've gotten, at the end of the day, this is what I put myself into. Serwaa, you are disgrace to Ghanaians, you are disgrace to your mom, and you are disgrace to the Asante kingdom. Who are you for Asante mine? Asante Ashanti women, we don't do that. We don't do those stupid shit. And then we come out to disgrace ourselves. Yeah, we are one of the time. I just say, why? And then you're winning them who was here. Nana doesn't lose anything. Remember, Nana is not going to contest for any position in Ghana. So whether you come out to say any shit about him, it doesn't tickle him. And he's a man. Our culture allow our men to marry more than a woman. And to say, you don't have the right to do what the men do. And at the end of the day, one person don't want what me out to follow, never you follow, woman you follow, for free. Now, Freddie had to when you saw. Now, come with you. We live by the air, we'll go back and show the image. And this is for them that you know when you go at it. If you think you are doing a good favor, they want everyone must. Now nobody takes you serious. Yeah. At the end of the day, you are lesbian. So I don't know. May that's it. Next person. May that's it. My main friend, next person says here. I who say me Toronto phone be a friend. Mama yentie Toronto phone so I get it. Me who 416 number. Hello? Yes.
Me and you are talking as brother, sister. You are going to turn that to police, no problem. Maybe you want to keep your sanity, which is fine. But to come and attack my kids, that one you couldn't tell the police that. Jimmy, for when you were going to talk about my kids and wish evil on my kids, no, your stupid senses didn't tell you, say, those are kids and those are not part of what we are doing. Now, dear, they say me, I've told you, Akufo-Addo, I'm his son. Me, Akufo-Addo's son. I'm the son of Akufo-Addo. And anybody that comes out with false reportage, I will make sure I would expose you. You were there trying to bring your so-called girlfriend to Canada. You tried to seek political help. It didn't help. It didn't help. Then you stage a whole thing saying the president of the Ghana, the whole president of Ghana is after you for an evidence you have. Na Ghana force you ho. Na Ghana force you hey, Akufo-Addo. You are here demonizing somebody's father. You are demonizing somebody's like husband. You are demonizing a president of a whole country with no facts, Serwaa. You are tarnishing the image of Akufo-Addo with no facts. Because per your own admission, one kasawo kachire o ma me say ad couldn't ya when to me ending common say you couldn't even get 2 seconds with the president. Say well, I may say I have the tape, so don't fuck around. That's what I said. Don't fool on social media. Don't let people push you. They want your downfall. I would advise you to seek help. Don't let these people use your case to trend on their social media. In any case, God being so good to you, you have been able to marry the partner you want to marry. So shouldn't that satisfy your soul? Cause according to your dream and your hope and anything that will bring sanity to you was if they allowed you to marry your own dream partner. Which was the main reason why some of us who are your friends also hop on board and supported you. Even though some of us, our religious and other beliefs do not really, encourage that. But still, we support you. We go to parties, we dance together, we sit together, we laugh together. Social media, we post pictures, we talk back and forth. I said, say why me no me can't. And so who say kutame. You understand? Not only that, me will text message so. And so you know, Honorable Adoye is trying to help war. You know why he cut you off? Honorable Adoye cut you off because when we say, "Who you be a umuadie?" Number 2, and you a liar. You a liar. That is why Hobson cut you off. Oh, you know, usually these politicians, the way they are, me say, me person me bored you, but yeah, make na make catch you know, these politicians sometimes, even when you are dealing, you need mind because or yere dear, but the way crowd where you know who treats me now wanna make casa nice. Oh, na last ni say, oh friend, and I will say, oh, me never cry, never phone so, and at the end, dear. And at the end, you say, hey, kufuado. We are free, say, we have all this evidence there. You are there talking, say, hey, kufuado. Kumase Vandam, where they are no kure playing, when you playing fan. Mikuta audio no ha say chenku na bone yemmo because nini na ka me so me evidence na me free ha me diko police wono na omuntie say onipa na all lie to ono say oni na ye bibi no say wanya 2 minutes to crowd with na Akufo-Addo da say why you confess to your own mother o ka kire wankasa wo ma me say sister Cynthia me scared of the police